Muthako wa martial arts ni muthako ukoragwo ukuruhanitie mathako ma karate, judo na taekwondo mothe mari hamwe na ukoretwo ugikura na gikiro kinene guku bururi-ini ona thengia wa muingi gukorwo utari na umenyo muiganu wigie muthako uyu. Gukiri uguo, thukuru umwe guku mucii wa Nairobi ni wirutire gutigirira ni wathomithia muingi maingi megie muthako uyu wa martial arts iri ta njira ya gutigirira ati muingi ni wamenya maingi megie maundu maria makoragwo magikwo hindi iria muthako uyu urakorwo ugithakwo.
The code of martial arts is very simple: discipline, respect above all. Sasa hiyo tunafundisha hapa. Kwa karate utasema dojo kun, self respect, respect for others, discipline.
Thukuru wa Kepap Martial Arts gicigo-ini gia Parklands guku Nairobi uhete muingi mweke wa guthoma maingi megie martial arts kwa ihinda ria ciumia igiri kuria megukorwo magithomithio ni mutaaramu kuma bururi-ini wa Israel Alvin Adeya uria ukoretwo agithomithania muthako uyu kwa ihinda ria makiria ma miaka 20.
What you see here is Kapap Kamaga, which is Israeli martial art, that it's actually based on a lot of traditional martial art that coming from all over the world.
Ningi mari na mubango wa gukorwo magitwara muthako uyu thiini wa icagi itiganite cia mabanda guku mucii-ini wa Nairobi. Muoroto wao munene uri gukuria iheo itiganite cia ciana ici iria kaingi ikoranaga na mogwati matiganite miturire-ini yao icagi-ini ici.
We start to work with kids in Kibera because we want to give these kids a chance to grow up through the martial art, because martial art teach friendship and a lot of things that today we don't teach in school.
Ngiribotera metha ya mathako ya Kameme TV, Githomo wa the Fethi.